We are here in Patterson, New Jersey. This is a bus station for the Wawas, that they call Wawas here. This is buses, small buses, and we're going to try to find a driver who can test our new product, Cool to Us. Right now it's a lot of buses, but we see one guy here. Jimmy, are you a driver?
Yes.
Okay, we got a new product that is made especially for drivers. This is a new seat that you can use in your truck or bus or whatever, your own car also, that allows you to control how cool or hot can be. Do you have a minute so you can try the product?
I would like to
Let me show you. Let me show you. Sit down. Okay. You just have to be seated.
Okay.
Of course, we set out already the seat, and all you have to do is just connect this hose that is already connected by. Let me take it out this thing so you see exactly everything that you had to do. This device is coming in three pieces: the seat, the hose, and the universal adapter that you can hook up to any kind of outlet for air conditioning system. All you have to do is to press the spring, make a right turn, and after that you take only the first ring and press this ring so it's hooked up. After that you just have to take this thing and insert it inside the ring that is on the seat.
Oh, wow.
It's holded by the magnets. That's the reason it's not coming out.
So it's easier for when I go out. So like when
You get out, if you forget the connection is there, it's no problem because we make a universal side that you can put in any car, van, bus. I was a truck driver myself in my career. This thing for me.
Oh.
And now I am.
Well, this is perfect. Like I got days where I feel like uncomfortable, sweaty. So this actually it keeps me cool. My back is feel cool right now. Wow.
Yeah, you can feel
wow, I'm feeling.
And I got one tool that is going to show how many degrees, because I got a special tool that is going to show exactly how cool it becomes. 1 second.
Okay.
This gun shows exactly how hot or cold is something. For example, if I am pointing outside anywhere is 73 degrees, and your seat right now 61, 62, 59, 57, 55. It's cool. Very cool compared to any place.
I could feel it. Like, it's like nice.
Yeah.
Great. Great. So, and how much did this cost?
125.
125. Okay. Oh, it's a great price too, and it makes you feel comfortable. And I could drive all day. It's great.